Okay, let's say we want to show how gradient changes as the number in front of x changes, for example. So we can play around with constants if you want. And instead of putting a 2 in there, we can put some letter, which is, we could put a. And if you want, edit the constants, which you can edit that variable a. Let's say we want a to start at 1, and that's okay, that's fine. And we'll hit OK. So instead of a is 1, obviously, at this point, so we've changed the graph. But let's say we want to change that a so that we can do some editing and show the kids some animations about how the gradient changes. So you can go in under options and you can do a manual plot if you want, or you can do a family plot. Animation is the one where, let's say we start it at 1 and we go to, let's just say, well, let's start at 1 and go to 9 in steps of 1. And we're going to do it manually so that we can control how fast it does it. So it's very intuitive. It's like in most other programs. As I change this now, the step is going by 0.1. So let's just change this to 1. You can change this. You can say you want to go by 1s, or you can go by 0.1. It doesn't matter. And you just keep changing that. Now it will do an animation if you want. If you go under Animate and Repeat. Still goes quite fast, even though it's the slowest pace. So I don't often use this, but you can see that it starts down and then goes up. And you can stop that, and you can change the animation so that it goes up and down. So you can do this with anything. You can do it with quadratics to show how quadratics change with transformations. I mean, this is not any different than any other program, basically. The interactive, TI Interactive will do the same, GeoGebra will do the same, but it's very, very easy and intuitive to use.